Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we have an amazing topic for you guys, man. We're going to be talking about how to level up your LeetCode skills in 2023 and beyond using ChatGPT, guys. So you guys probably already know about ChatGPT. So if you don't know about it, I have a video about that. So ChatGPT, guys, is a wonderful resource to have in 2023 and beyond, man. It can really help you to really take your LeetCode skills to the next level, right? So I'm gonna be going over those the reasons why I think that using a ChatGPT really can help you to take you to the next level that you want, right? To help you accomplish your 2023 goals or beyond, whatever goals you have for this year, right? You know what I'm saying? So it can really help you with that, right? So let's quickly go into it. So one of the first reasons why, guys, I think that having ChatGPT is gonna be using ChatGPT in 2023 for LeetCode, right? Is gonna be useful because let's say you first start out as a beginner, right? I'm saying it's very useful for beginners, right? So if you say you start out as a beginner, right, you wanna have a list of topics to be able to consider yourself to master LeetCode, right? Say you're a beginner, right? That was just one example I'm giving you, right? It can give you a complete roadmap, right? Because it give me a roadmap of topics for master LeetCode as a beginner, right? Or if you're intermediate, right, you could say, hey, give me a list of roadmap of topics for mastering LeetCode for intermediate, right? You know what I'm saying? So, and you want to get to advanced, right? So you could ask exactly that, right? You know what I'm saying? You could tell it, hey, see my weaknesses, right? It's gonna give you a complete roadmap of things to focus on so they could master it. So after you actually get this, guys, you could, let's say it gives you a complete roadmap, right? It gives you the roadmap that you want, right? So this is all the list of topics that I need to master, right? So this is my goal for 2023. So now that ChatGPT has given you a complete roadmap, right? So now is the time to start zooming in into particular topics, right? So this is another way that ChatGPT is very good at. It's a game changer, right? It's its ability to explain hard level concepts, guys, right? So it explains it extremely well, as if I'm saying you could kind of think about ChatGPT as that one guy, that one smart guy in the class, right? That's able to explain those hard level concepts to the rest of the class, right? In an easy to understand way, right? So this is the exact way you kind of think of ChatGPT, guys. So it's like your personal tutor, you know what I'm saying? Like having one-on-one with expert and data structuring algorithm, right? I'm saying it's able to really explain the stuff so that you can understand, right? So you could see that I went ahead and said explain arrays to me, right? I'm saying, and it went ahead and explained arrays, right? And went into a lot of details, right? And then now, let's say it's still too high level, right? You still don't get it. You want to more a better explanation, right? So another the feature that I like about it, right? My best feature yet, guys, right? Explain to me like I am 5 years old, right? So, and it goes ahead, guys, and explain to you and dumbs it down tremendously, right? So you can kind of understand the concept, right? I'm saying it's those abstract concepts, those conceptual things, right? I'm saying in computer science, you could go on there, man, it can help you to master those concepts, guys. Right? I've learned so much with ChatGPT using that technique. It explained to me, dumb it down a little bit so I can understand a little bit better, faster. I'm saying because yeah, very, 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 very great resource. This is another reason why I think ChatGPT is going to help you in getting to the next level. So let's say now you're comfortable with a particular topic, right? And you want to, start doing some exercises to kind of help you to solidify the concept, the mastering of the concept, right? You know what I'm saying? At a beginner level, right? You already know what to do. We should go to LeetCode, right? After you start LeetCode, start doing some problems on that, right? So let's say we were doing a race, we would choose the tags, right, based on whatever topic that we are doing, right? Click on arrays. After we do that, I know we will be sorting, guys, right? I've said this before. We sorted by difficulty, right? Which is we're gonna start doing the easy problems first, right? So let's say we want to do one of the most popular problem in LeetCode, right? I'm saying the two-sum problem, right? So pretty much you could click on that, open it up, copy the problem, right? Go to ChatGPT and go ahead and paste that in, right? And then what ChatGPT is gonna do, guys, gonna go ahead and help you with the solution, guys, right? So you paste it in and it gives you a brute force solution before, right? I'm saying it gives you a complete detailed explanation, right? So solutions is the brute force, right? It's not the most optimal yet, right? So you could say, all right, cool, give me a better solution, right? You see how good it is, right? It's able to you could able to interact with it just as if you had a person right next to you, right? And you're able to communicate with it, right? And then it goes ahead and gives you the most optimal solution, right? This is an alternate solution with a better time complexity, right? I'm saying, right? So this is exactly right, and it gives you a complete detailed overview of that, right? Gives you the time complexity as well as the space, right? So this is very, very good, right? Right. So not only that, right, guys, say you don't understand something about the solution, right? It's like, man, it doesn't look good to me. So explain to me one line or whatever thing you don't understand about the code, right? So I went ahead and said, yo, explain the complement thing that you have here. I don't quite get it, right? I just said explain the complement thing, right? So and it knows exactly what I'm referring to, right? And it goes ahead and explains to me in an extremely easy to digest way, guys, right? And if you still don't understand, you can say, please explain to me like I'm five, which is our favorite feature, right? I'm saying. So this is the third reason why I'm saying that this is going to change us, right? So let's get to the last one real quick. So the last reason why I think ChatGPT is going to help you in leveling up, guys, right, is you're going to become, guys, right? By using ChatGPT, you're going to become a better explainer, right? You'll be able to explain things a lot more clear and more concise, right? Just you'll be seeing so much the explanation from ChatGPT, guys, right? It's gonna automatically, guys, right? I'm saying it's gonna be very hard not to for the way that I explain that to rub off on you, right? So as a result, guys, by using ChatGPT, gonna become a lot better at explaining things to others, right? So now when you do interviews, guys, your interviewer is gonna be amazed by how clear and concise you're able to explain concepts, right? And it's able to see exactly the way that you're trying to go. It'll be able to see exactly the point that you're trying to convey, guys, right? You know what I'm saying? And then when you're working as a software engineer, right, your coworkers will see, wow, this guy's able to explain his thought process, the way he's doing things. You know what I'm saying? We're able to see, right? So as a result, you become a better communicator. You're gonna become better overall software engineer, guys. So this is why I think that in 2023 and beyond, Chat GPT is gonna help a lot of people and to become the best software engineer that they can, guys, right? Help them professionally and also doing interviews and things like that, right? So yeah, guys, I want to say, if you guys found value in this video, guys, go ahead and give me a like, guys. If you guys, like the channel, you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, right? If you guys are new here, right? So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.